So what we're going to do is, sorry, do the video and do this. Take off the initial sticker, take it off like that. The ebook itself looks fairly standard. It's got the power and things. On the back it says CHUWI and Intel, the usual stuff for ebook. Turn it back over again. Let's try turning it on. So if I can just find the power button there. Let's see if it's got any charge. Right, it comes on, a little blue light comes on. And you see CHUWI. What else does it say? Little spinning thing. There's the keyboard waiting for it.
Spinning thing? That's weird.
So it looks like it's starting off first time. See how much battery it's got. I can see some bleeding on the sides of the screen, but that's probably only when it's dark. It's now turned around and gone the other way, which is kind of weird. I'll spin it around then. Let's see how that works. So now it's still starting. Just a moment. Usual Windows stuff. I'll pause it while this starts. So we're started now. We have English, United Kingdom, United States as our selection. And
hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
And Cortana starts up.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Right, I'll pause while I'm getting through this, and then we'll put it together and see what it looks like. Okay, here it is, turned on right there. There's the keyboard right there. What I'll do is I'll show you what it looks like when it connects to the keyboard. It grabs it like that and sits. Here's the keyboard sitting up on top like that. Bounce wise, yeah, seems alright. Give it a try. This is the keyboard connected, and it is picking a 5G network, which is good. So I'll get connected to that and we'll see where it goes. So while it's doing its setup, now it's connected, I'll show you. And there you go, something about Windows. There's the pen. It has a kind of a metal clip there, and there's a little thing to the side there. So I'm not sure whether this is supposed to slide in there, which it doesn't want to, or the little clip slides in there, which I suspect is how it's supposed to be, like that. Doesn't look particularly safe and secure. I'll have to have a play with that later, but that doesn't look quite right. Anyway, I'll carry on going with the setup. Okay. Every time I try to video something, Cortana's yapping. I will show you that although this keyboard is actually set to that slightly raised position, when you push on it, it seems kind of loose, like it doesn't want to really sit there very much. It does the same on this side as well. It's not it's okay to type on, but it doesn't seem to be wildly secure. So just before we try to remember my password to log into my Microsoft account, there's the stand, which is indeed a U shape. It seems stable enough. It's quite flimsy, but it's okay.